Welcome everyone. Here are two ways to scan documents in Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. The first way is we're going to start by opening up the camera app, and then we're going to make sure we're in the photo mode. And what should happen is automatically it should start the document scan. So you're going to notice these little arrows at the four edges of the document. If that happens, you should also see the T icon at the right, and then when you tap on this one, it's going to take a document scan. So it won't fully do it automatically. You will need to also tap the scan button right here. So just tap on scan like this, and then it should automatically set the corners of the document, and then we can just tap on save. Now the upside of this way is it's simple to do. The downside is you can only do one page at a time. So you have to manually do the document scan one page after the other. If you wanted to print the documents, you can just tap on the photo here, and then you can tap the three dots at the top right, and then you have the print option if you just want to print it. Now the second way, this is potentially a more convenient option, is we're going to look for and open up the Google Drive app. So this is a Google software. Inside of Google Drive, we'll just tap the home option right here. And then we're going to tap the plus at the side. And you're going to see the scan option. Let's tap on scan. And we're going to agree to the camera permission. So we can use Google Drive to do the document scan. So you have auto mode, which just does the scan for you without tapping the shutter button. I can tap the next button, and you can see I can save as either PDF or JPEG, and then tap upload if I just want to have one page scanned. But if I want to scan multiple pages, then I'm going to do it again, but with a different step. So let's just wait for the first page to be scanned. And instead of tapping next, you can tap this plus button here to add another page. So you can add multiple pages to the document scan. So I can scan page 2, and you can repeat this as many times as you want. And then you can see you have the multiple pages, page 1, page 2, just like that. You have any extra options if you need to use them. And then we can just tap the next option again. And then we can just tap upload to upload this one to the Google Drive. To view your recently scanned documents, you can just tap the three lines at the top left, and then you can tap on the uploads option, and then it will show the scanned document. It's saved in your Google Drive, and if I tap on this, you can just take a look at the preview. This is the 2-page scan like that, and if you tap the triple dots at the top right, you have all of your options. And so if you want to print the document, you can just scroll down and tap the print button here. And if I just go back into this menu, you also have the option to send a copy. So if you would like to send the PDF as an email, for example, you can tap send a copy like this. And if I just scroll across, you can see your email apps will show up here, and you can tap on the email app and then you can just access it like this. Finally, if you want to save the document from Google Drive to the internal storage of the phone, with the triple dots here, you should see the download button. So just tap on download like this, and then it's going to download the file. This file will be accessible by opening up the My Files app. And then if you just head into downloads, you should see scanned document has been downloaded, and that is the PDF right there. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.